Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa on the Not Too Shabby channel today, bringing you the inspiration for the mood board. And as you know, when I do this, I typically use my sheet load cards for this video, and that's what I'm doing today. But we're going to do a little bit something different than we did in my sheet load video over on my channel. So let me show you what I used. I used the Sunflower Fields and the Sunflower Watercolors papers for my cards, and because I didn't have the ephemera yet, I used this image from the Stamp and Die of the month, and then I used this sentiment, Hello Sunshine. So let me show you my cards, and this is going to be a very short video. So let me show you my cards. So I did Hello Sunshine right there in that little space. I went totally out of my comfort zone this month. I used some gold foil paper for my matting. I hardly ever use this gold foil. I have all this specialty paper and I hardly ever use it. So I pulled it out for today, and I never ever just stamp an image that kind of is meant to be colored with just some colored ink. I never do that. So I just thought, yeah, let's do that this month. So I use this pattern paper, this piece right here, and the watercolor paper right here. Now, Alicia's sketch calls for 12 by 12 papers, but as you know, I always use 6 by 6 papers because I always use Not Too Shabby papers for my sheet loads. For this when I use 6 by 6 paper for this design that calls for 12 by 12 paper, I use 2 sheets of 6 by 6 for this part, and then I used all 4 sheets of 6 by 6 in the Sunflower colors of watercolors of of each paper, of the green and then of the yellow that I used. So that is set number 1. I have 2 sets, the four sets that are like this, and then 4 sets that are like this. And I used this pattern paper, and on this one I used some kind of bright grass green foil paper, and again used the Hello Sunshine and the same element here. This is what I did on the inside. I put a strip right there, and I forgot to show you on this one. I put a strip right there. So what I didn't do on the my channel, or for when I did the sheet load, what I didn't do was to add some enamel dots to my cards. So I'm going to add enamel dots to one set of the cards. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We'll see if we have enough. I think we'll have enough. I'm going to add some enamel dots to this set of the cards, and then show you all the cards, and then show you all the cards without the enamel dots side by side. And you can tell me in the comments down below, please tell me which of the cards you like better, the ones with the enamel dots or the ones without the enamel dots. And then, because I just forgot when I was making my sheet load cards, I just totally forgot to put the enamel dots on. And I mean, I think enamel dots make all the difference in the world, especially Not Too Shabby enamel dots. So, because they just seem to just be the right colors for everything. This is the coffee and cream collection, so you can pull some of those out. So we're going to use these darker gold ones on this card. I don't like using different color of enamel dots, but sometimes you have to because they don't ever, a lot of times they don't match up right. But I want them to match up right on this one. We're going to use this kind of whitish one on this card. And I'm going to put them all in the same place so there's no, you know, I don't know. So there's a kind of a good comparison. Okay, so here is this card, and I'm going to hold them up close so you can see them. Here's this card with the enamel dots right there and right there, and then no enamel dots on this one. Okay, and then we have enamel dots on this one. No enamel dots on this one. Enamel dots on this one. No enamel dots on this one. So let me know in the comments below what you think. No enamel dots on this, or enamel dots on this one. No enamel dots on this one. So those are my 8 cards. Definitely let me know what you think. And then also these cards, these cards are on the blog post, or my picture of the cards. Now it's going to be the picture of the cards without the enamel dots because I have already taken the picture of the cards. And so the blog post will be linked down below, and as well as all the products. And I will be back again next month with the inspiration for the mood board. And you will have seen the mood board somewhere during the video. I forgot to say, check it out right here, but I will insert it in the video. And you can check out the mood board to see how to enter, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.